Guys, this is the Tornado V3 for 150 subs. Let's open it. I have, as you can see, the Pioneer version, aka the most expensive one. So let's begin with the accessories like normal. It's a nice box, but not like very good quality. We have this, it feels a bit like, yeah, fake leather like Cupid says, but also a bit like cardboard. I think I like it. We have this nice credit card, so let's use it. Yeah, okay. Let's put it away. I don't know how much money is on it. Okay, this is my tool, my setting tool for the magnets. Because the rest you can just adjust yourself with that little briefcase handler. So that's nice. Now let's go on to the next one. The tissue, the famous tissue to wipe off lube. I don't even know if there is any factory lube in it. Now, let's go on with the hope you can read Chinese. Just kidding. This is an instructional manual. So with all the settings, I think I'm gonna use that, but the rest I won't, since I've seen some videos about it before buying it. Oh, before we open the cube, let's see this last one briefly. Okay, I know how to soft cube this cube, guys. I'm not that such a noob. Now, I am a noob in opening boxes. Oh, I guess not. It's magnetic. I forgot. Okay, this is min points, guys. Why are they putting dust on my cube? They're right. It's really quiet. Okay, this feels really good. But the question is, how do I keep the X like this? Okay. Now I know, because let's compare it to this. Yeah, I really like this one a bit more, but I may use it how it's supposed to. So let's. Oh, there is some factory lube in it. So I just bought my own lube for $7 to just for this video, but I don't need it since there's a factory lube in it. And let's try to take off the center cap. Is it fixed in there or something? Okay, let's take a look at the magnets first. Yeah. Oh, they're. I don't know if you can see it, but they're little. You see, a plus and a minus. So I know which way is stronger and which way is weaker. So see you when I got this center cap off. Okay guys, I got it off. It was just like this. This blue thing is the whole center cap. And this is, oh yeah, you barely notice the handle, but this is it. I'm not gonna play with it, or I'll maybe break something, or I'll just put it back like very loose and it will explode. So it looks very cool, different from the video. So yeah, it's more like plastic, some sticker put underneath it with all those numbers. So okay, that's the adjustment system. Let's put up the center cap now. And what I actually noticed is that if you do a turn with like a magnetic bump where it just shakes back. Not every turn, but I think it's because of the corner-to-core magnets. But this is actually my first cube with maglev technology. So let's scramble it and give it a solve. So, yeah, this is not the greatest scramble. Yeah. Okay, let's just start. Oh. Like this. Okay, this is like really fast but quiet. So, okay, I messed up my F12 pair. Apron. And that's the solve. Okay, it's like what I've seen from this actually comes true. I did not expect that, but I'm maybe a bit late with this unboxing since it came out 6 months or something ago. But yeah, I just did it since I haven't cubed in a long while. Sorry for the finger. And I really like this cube. It's very cheap, so not that cheap, but $40 instead of 84 for the Gen 13. That's like a big difference, so I think you should buy it if you have the money. And I'm definitely gonna main this guy. So thank you for watching, thank you for the 150 subs, and goodbye.